I'm going to briefly go over what you are going to be doing in class over the next couple of days. First of all, your rotations should be between 20 and 25 minutes depending on how long this takes. On your to-do list, red, you are going to start with the real world. There is an athletics article under the article tab, and there is also a 4-dice game. The 4-dice game, really quickly, I'll show you how it works. You are going to create a worksheet that looks like the one that you see here where I'm pointing. You are then going to take the 4 dice that are in the front of the room underneath where my checkout board is, and you are going to roll the die. The first number that you roll is going to go on the top line here. You're then going to roll a second time, and it goes on the bottom line. You're then going to do the same thing for this line, and then you're going to solve the problem. You're going to do at least 3 addition and 3 subtraction problems, but I would practice more because we're very quickly going through adding and subtracting of fractions. Going back to our to-do list, blue group, you are going to start with computer. There are a couple worksheets that you are going to be doing, but you're going to select which ones you would like to do based off of your ability level and how comfortable you feel with adding and subtracting fractions. The website is going to be under the individual work tab under extra practice. Under extra practice, it has watch the to-do video, complete the worksheets, and then the last link there is the link to the worksheet website. That site is going to take you to here. If you scroll down, there are going to be multiplying fraction worksheets, which we're going to get to later, as well as dividing. But the ones I want you to focus on right now are the adding fractions worksheets and the adding mixed fractions worksheets and subtracting fractions worksheets. You can choose any of these. What I'd like you to do is select one of them. So for example, I'm just going to click this. And in your notebook, you're not going to be printing these out, but in your notebook, you're going to be solving these problems. To check your answers, they'll be on the second page. I don't want you to look at the answers first, but you can use them to make sure that you're doing the problems correctly. If you'd like to do more than one worksheet to do extra practice, feel free. Going back to our to-do list, the yellow group, you are going to start with the Frere models. The Frere models aren't going to be on the back wall because I'm not there right now. But if you go under word wall, they're going to be mixed numbers, negative numbers, polynomials, positive numbers, and simple fractions. These are concepts that we're going to be talking about this week, but we're really going to be delving into next week. So, in Math Workshop over the next 2 days, actually 3 days, the things that you need to complete are the online worksheets. So you should complete at least 1 addition online worksheet and 1 subtraction and 1 mixed number. Like I said, if you get done early, I would do more of them for practice. The higher the letter, the harder the worksheet's going to be. I'd also like you to complete the 4-dice activity. It's a quick and easy activity that you can do that's going to give you random addition and subtraction. The next thing you need to complete is the athletic article. And lastly, you need to complete the 5 Frere models. We'll be going through those as a class on either Thursday or Friday, so I expect you to have all of them done. If you finish everything and you wouldn't like to work on online worksheets or keep doing the 4-dice activity, you can work on your AlexPy.